What's up, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys. And as always, I love you over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again, and happy new month to you guys.
Okay, guys, the 1st of December,
Yeah,
and
happy new month.
Yeah, happy new month. Happy new month to you. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to do something called, mommy, please.
Vegetable sauce.
Okay.
Vegetable sauce.
So it's simple. Just we're going to sauce today, just to start the month.
Yes.
So, anyways, here are the ingredients. We have our green pepper. Our peppers are vegetables.
Fresh tomato,
fresh pepper, onion. Then we have
sweet
our
pepper,
fish.
yes, this smoked fish.
We have our smoked fish. Then
pepper mixed with garlic and ginger.
And mix.
Yes.
So yeah, then we have our seasoning. Then
yeah, cow skin.
Yeah, but where we are from, we call it pomo, but cow skin. Then salt.
To taste. Then
vegetable.
Take
what
this.
leaf?
Spinach
Leaf, guys.
Spinach, but in Nigeria we call it efo.
So yeah, those are the ingredients, and now let's get cooking.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on stage. Taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me? Sometimes.
So as you can see, we are done cutting the veggies. These are the peppers, tomato. Here is the fish. We've washed it. The cow skin, bomo, and that's the spinach. We'll be cutting it. So we have our oil on fire there. So we are just going to be adding our onion. Please move back. I have a lot of onion here. So this dish requires much onion. We don't have it. Just buy onion. And the pepper, the atarodo, scotch pepper, we mix it very well. Guys, please don't mind the noise. Mix it like that. If you like, you can add tin tomato, but don't think I will be needing it. Okay. And mix it very well. You allow it to cook for a while. Before, you can add maybe one seasoning. And you cover it, you allow it to cook. Okay. So friends, as you can see, so now we'll be adding our cow skin bomo. Okay. Then the fish. I don't want this fish to pieces. So I'm going to be adding African cube, but all these spices they use and made it. See black pepper, see garlic, see what is this? I've forgotten the name. So it's just mixed spices for African this thing. For this is my first time of using it, so but I believe it will be nice. Mix of spices, ginger, garlic, and black pepper. Smell nice. Please help me do. At this point, I'm going to put my. Please don't scatter. Things are very, very expensive now. These are the sweet pepper and the what is the other pepper now? I don't know what is happening today. Things are just running off my head. But I know I'll be fine. Please skip it. So you stir it. Just calm down now. Gently like that. I won't be stirring it much. Then I reduce my heat. Okay, I'll cover it. Allow it to cook. Just cut it big like that. So big. Okay. And don't bother boiling it or pour hot water into it. Oh no. Once you are done cutting it, just pour it into your sauce like that. Okay. So friends, as you can see, this is it. Today it is much. It's very much. So at this point, you can add crayfish if you like, but it's like I'm going to add a little. I'll be adding crayfish, just a little to it. Don't want it over sweet. Then we put in the vegetable. This is how to eat healthy. These are the kind of things your body needs. Okay, very nice and cheap in making. Okay, so you allow it to cook for a while, maybe like 2 to 3 minutes. The food is ready. Don't forget, turn down the heat. So friends, let's see how far. Okay, this is it. So just mix it carefully because of the fish. So in case you didn't see very well, the oil, the oil that I'm using is palm oil. Is cooking oil. Okay. So, but some people do use vegetable oil also, which is groundnut oil. If you choose any one you prefer. Okay. But this is palm oil. So the leaf is not enough, but these are really, I want it. This is how, I don't want too much vegetable on it. Okay, like this you can use it to eat anything. You use it for rice, for yam, use it for anything. Even for swallow, you can use it to swallow. Okay, so I'm putting in my onion. I told you I'll be using much onion in this particular food. Okay, so that's it. Your food is just this vegetable. Sorry guys, your vegetable sauce is ready. It's ready to go. As you can see it, it's really.
Alright guys, we are done, and as you can see guys, this is the finished product.
It looks nice, really nice. My God, today it is much. See the way I'm sweating, guys. Please help move this.
Drop a like, it's not easy
at all. So
drop a like. You see how I'm sweating, so just drop a like, let others see the video. You know, it helps. If you don't do anything, at least that like, you have to do that like. So anyways guys, yeah, that's it for this video.
In case you are new, okay, please like the video, comment and subscribe. Very important. Then
that's all. I've said it all. It's healthy, stay healthy.
No, sorry guys. The next video you are going to see what we are going to be eating with this sauce. Okay, you are going to see it in our next video. Okay, so
yeah. So guys, that's my video.
Thanks for watching.